So today we're going to talk about something very interesting. According to a report about how India shops online, the Indian e-retail market saw 25% growth in 2021 despite the 2-month national lockdown and a multiple prolonged disruption in regional pockets across the country over the year. Simply put, what does this mean? It means that the retail market registered growth even when the buying capacity of multiple people across the population was compromised. Let me share another fact. India has the 3rd largest online shopper base in the numbers of 140 million. But did you know that that is just close to 4.6% of the entire market? That means most of the market is still untapped. With increasing internet penetration in the Indian landscape and more Indians going digital, the industry is going to grow by leaps and bounds. If the online retail industry grows, the digital marketing industry will also witness growth. But what is digital marketing? Let's break the term. What is digital? Simply put, anything to do with the online space involving the World Wide Web, access through technological tools like computers, mobiles, and other electronics is digital. And what is marketing? Activities done to ensure awareness about a certain product or service, ultimately selling it and generating revenue. So when combined, this means that digital marketing is the component of marketing that uses internet and online-based digital technologies such as desktop, computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. Hence, with the online market space growing, the digital marketing industry is a goldmine opportunity for you bright, enthusiastic, and energetic students listening to this video right now. Inspiria Knowledge Campus in Siliguri understands this and understands that the need of the hour is to create skilled professionals that would propel this industry and also make their own mark. Keeping that in mind, IKC is offering the comprehensive coursework in BSc in digital marketing, the first of its kind in this region. And what skills will you learn in this coursework then? Let's take a quick look. You will learn the basics of marketing. You will learn product and pricing strategies. You will understand the components of marketing mix. You will understand and learn how to collect data, specifically online. You will understand how to visualize that data. You will understand how to analyze that data and then put it through marketing strategies. And you will also understand marketing performance. So who can take this course? Anyone who has completed their 12th exams? There is no specific requirement to be from a certain stream. Computer science enthusiasts, commerce students, economics students. This is a great opportunity for you to be a part of a billion-dollar industry from the initial days and make your mark in it. So, today, I leave you here with all this information and hope that you always are well equipped to take the right decision for your career. Thank you so much everyone for listening to this video and wish you all the best for your future decisions.